Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I have the Sew Sampler box from Fat Quarter Shop, and this is for March. So let's dig in and see what we got. Made with Love, March 2020. So we have 30% off Tulip Pink rulers. So that's a special thing for subscribers. And look at all that goodness. Beautiful fabric. I'm going to pull this out to get the box out of the way. It's just easier for me. We have some pretty fabric. And here's our little paper that tells everything here. So I had my second surgery. I'm doing okay. It was a little harder than the first, but we are making it through, along with all this other stuff that's going on. So this is super cute. I'm going to start with this. These are unicorn head straight pins. So cute. There is, it's 10 count and they're 2 inches. So it says it's a Fat Quarter Shop exclusive. Add more enchantment to the magic of quilt making with the Tulip Pink unicorn pins. The sweet pink unicorn head is bright and easy to spot, and the shape makes it quick to grab when sewing with any fabric. When not in use, stand them up in any pincushion for a pop of color and fun in your sewing room. Retail price is $1.98. Super cute. Okay, and then we got some Clover Clips, which I have a ton of, but they're great for projects, so always good to have. This is a 10-piece assortment Wonder Clips. A rainbow of Wonder Clips adds even more color and function to your quilting toolkit. Effortlessly clip together layers of fabric and batting for piecing or binding. The plastic base lies flat for lump-free layers and is marked with 1/8-inch increments for easy measurements. The mix of color adds a bit of fun too. Retail value is $6.48, and those are by Clover. Here is the top if you want to see any of that. Lots of fun colors. And here's the back that shows you how the measurements, let's see if I get the right section there. Okay. There's how they work. Okay, and we got a ruler. That's cute. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it or not, but it has a heart and scissors on it. So I don't know if you can see that in here. Oh, there, you can actually see it better without me putting my hand there. So there's the heart, and you can see the scissors below it. So it's a 2.5 by 6.5 ruler by Tulip Pink. The Tulip Pink 2.5 by 6.5 inch ruler is a handy size for many projects. Pink crosses denote every 1/4 inch increment for precise measurements. Jelly roll and charm pack friendly, the pink tint gives it more visibility on fabric, and even the grip is thoughtfully designed in the shape of a heart and a pair of thread scissors. Retail value is $9.98. So yeah, it is pink in color, which I don't know if the camera's showing that for you. I think you might be able to see it there. And here's all the little lines. You can see. Here's the UPC. I'll put links to everything I can find down below. They are affiliate links. So if you use them, great. I appreciate it very much. Let's see, what's the next one? So we have a couple of patterns. We have the Rise and Shine quilt pattern, which I love those colors. But you know me, I love all kinds of colors. It says Rise and Shine quilt pattern. It's a finished size 52.5 by 73.5. Here's everything you need. It says warm up the bright and happy design of the Rise and Shine quilt, designed for our all-time favorite pre-cut, the Fat Quarter. This geometric frame block works best with a fun focal point. A surprise star forms between the blocks to create movement and good vibes. The retail value of the pattern is $9.98. And again, here is what the blanket looks like, or the quilt looks like. Then we have two more. It's the Goodness Grows Quilt Along. We have Water Generously and Finishing Pattern. They're sponsored by Moda. And these together retail for $9.96. It says you're invited to let goodness bloom in your heart, block by block. Designed by Corey Yoder, this quilt will leave you so inspired to make positive things happen in your heart and cultivate your own personal garden of good. Get your Goodness Grows quilt kit and coordinating 80 weight applique or fill thread pack. Oh, that's what's not in here. There's no thread in here. There's usually thread. So there are those two pattern booklets. And now the fabric. Woohoo! Free Spirit. Tula Pink Homemade. 5-piece fat quarter. Okay. They are. It's a fat quarter shop exclusive. It says there's nothing better than something homemade, especially when it has a touch of Tula Pink. This 5-piece fat quarter bundle features prints from the homemade fabric lined by Tula Pink, Free Spirit fabrics, and it is inspired by quilters, for quilters, and a palette of zesty lime, pink, purple, and blue. Rulers, rotary cutters, needles, and pins are shining facets in the collection, but of course a beautiful sewing machine is the heart. The retail value is $14.48. So I will give you a close-up of them. Okay. Oh, okay, this is a sewing machine. So there's a better picture of that. That's cute. And then we have the same thing in purple. Let's see there. And we have this one. It's like the ruler in green. And there's all your cutting notions in purple. And this one was sewing. You got the heart, you got scissors, and you got like a thimble and a needle. So that's cute. So that is everything this month. Lots of fun little things. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask them in the comments. Thanks so much for stopping by. See you again soon. Bye.